Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to create the users and roles in Nexus. Okay, let's see the demo. I have logged into admin user. Now we need to create a users. Remember, some of the projects they may not use LDAP. They want to create a manual users. How we can create a list? Let's see. Okay. In go to here, we have a first we'll create the roles and we'll be assign the permissions for that particular roles. Then we can assign that particular role to the user. Go to the roles. Here currently we have a 3 roles. Create a role. Here I'm giving whether you want to set up Nexus role or if you want to create a external one LDAP. Currently I'm setting Nexus role. Here we need to provide the role ID. Remember this role ID is unique and it will be once you give this create the role, you can't edit this role ID. Okay. Example I'm giving Murali F1 role. Okay, or else we can give it like Devops role. It means developer role. Okay, and here you have to give the name. Name also I'm giving same. Under description also I'm giving same. And here available privileges. You can give what are the permissions. Nexus all I'm giving. And come down here. If you want to attach the role to role, we can attach it. We have a multiple roles type. I'm giving admin role in that particular Devops role. Okay, and save it. Now if you see here, it is created Devops role. Now you can click it. Once you create the role ID, right, you can't edit. And this is the name. If you want to change it, you can change the permissions. Okay, privileges and permissions also you can do it. Okay, got it? How we can create the role. Next, we can create the user and we can assign these roles and we can log into the particular user. Go to the users. Here we have a default 2 users. One is admin and the second one anonymous. Now I'm creating the one user. The username is I'm giving Murali. Okay, and here I'm giving Moole Muralidhara. Okay, I'm giving the last name is Reddy. And then here email ID I'm giving. Remember here I'm giving my Gmail ID, but in real time we will give company mail IDs. Okay. For example, I'm Murali. I can give that my company mail ID here. And I'm giving the password. And it is asking the confirm password. Okay. Here whether you want to active or disable this account. Okay. This user. Click the active and you can provide what permissions you want to provide the particular user. We have created Devops role, right? In this particular Devops role, it contains admin access. Okay. Create a user. Once you create a user, you can able to see here. Click this one. If you want, you can edit. If you want to change the password, you can change it. Okay, new password you can enter. In case someone is forgotten the password, come here and you can change it and you can give that particular password to them. Okay, they can use the new password. Fine. Once we created, right, it is having admin access. Now what I'm doing here, I'm logging with the admin user and then I'm logging with Murali user. Username Murali. I'm giving the password. Sign in. Now you can see here, I'm admin. That's why I'm able to see all the options. Okay, I'm seeing all the options because I'm an admin user. If you go to here, go to users. Now you can see here, this is my user. It is having admin. That is the reason this role having a admin access. That is the reason I'm able to see all the options. I can able to edit also. What I'm going to do, I'm creating only read-only access, anonymous access. Okay, create a role, create a user. Here I'm giving username is Muni. Okay, the name is Muni. Okay, then here notification it is asking same. I'm giving same mail ID only just for time being. The mail ID is TechWorld with Murali. The password I'm giving here. Okay, here I'm giving active and here I'm giving only anonymous access. It is read-only access created by local user. Okay, now I'm going to sign out. Now I'm logging with Muni user. Okay, now let's see. It is asking the password. What happened? Validation credentials. Okay, I'm giving authenticate. What happened? It looks it is not taking. Anyway, no issues. Yeah, if you observe here, it is not taking logout. It looks I'm entering wrong password. Okay, Yeah, I have logged in. If you observe here, I don't have an admin access. If you observe here, I don't have admin access. Only I'm able to see few things, browser and these things only. Okay, snapshot I'm able to see, but I'm not able to see because inside the snapshot we don't have anything, right? That is the reason we are not able to see. But few of the things for this particular Muni user having only read only, with this particular Muni user having only read only, don't have a admin privileges. Okay, we can provide like this, but remember still majority of the organization they will be use LDAP only. Instead of creating manually, we can access through LDAP. Inside the LDAP we will be create the groups. Okay, in these particular groups they will be add our users based on role. It means, for example, I'm a senior DevOps engineer. Okay, they will our team member, manager, or team lead, they will be give us to admin privileges. For example, on junior guy join, we won't provide the admin privileges. Based on role to role, we will be provide the access to the particular person, engineer. Okay, all right. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.